Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the rugged icon reimagined as the 2026 Land Rover Defender. Known for its go-anywhere capability and distinctive style, the Defender has always been a legend in off-road circles. But now, with the 2026 model, Land Rover has elevated it with new technology, smarter powertrains, and luxury refinement, all while staying true to its adventurous roots. Whether you're planning to scale mountain trails or cruise through city streets, this Defender is ready. Let's break it all down. Body panels. The 2026 Defender sticks to its rugged heritage with aluminum-intensive body panels that are both lightweight and incredibly durable. The squared-off silhouette, short overhangs, and high ground clearance aren't just for looks, they're designed for real-world off-road articulation. Fender flares and exposed bolts give the Defender its tough, mechanical aesthetic, while integrated rock sliders and underbody protection panels hint at its trail-rated abilities. Everything about the body exudes purpose and strength. Headlights. At the front, you'll find signature circular matrix LED headlights encased in squared-off housings, a modern nod to the Defender's heritage. These lights automatically adapt to road conditions, adjusting their beam patterns for curves, oncoming traffic, and various terrain. Integrated daytime running lights enhance visibility and deliver a unique lighting signature. They don't just light the way, they announce the Defender's presence. Taillights. Moving to the rear, the Defender continues its boxy charm with vertical LED taillights set within black housing panels. These lights are stylish but functional, offering high contrast and visibility in harsh weather. The rear also features a side-hinged tailgate with an exposed spare wheel, a classic Defender DNA that also provides practicality for adventure gear. Grille. The front grille on the 2026 Defender is bold and utilitarian. It features a two-slot horizontal design, flanked by aggressive intake openings for engine cooling and aerodynamic balance. In the higher trims like the X Dynamic or V8 models, the grille gets black accents and a more aggressive stance. It's finished in rugged plastic or matte black textures that can take a beating, exactly what you want in an off-road beast. Seats. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that's both tough and luxurious. The 2026 Defender offers a variety of interior configurations, from 5 to 7 seat options, with durable materials like resist leather, robust woven fabric, and optional Windsor leather for more premium trims. The front seats are 14-way power adjustable, heated and ventilated, and available with massage functions. There's even an optional front jump seat if you want to squeeze in a sixth passenger in old-school Defender style. Dashboard. The dashboard is a perfect blend of utilitarian design and modern luxury. Exposed magnesium crossbars and powder-coated surfaces give it a workshop feel, while the soft touch panels, customizable color themes, and brushed metal accents elevate the aesthetic. There's loads of storage, including a central shelf and configurable center console designed to keep your tools, devices, and gear secure on the move. Infotainment system. The 2026 Defender features Land Rover's latest PIV Pro infotainment system, displayed on an 11.4-inch curved touchscreen. It's fast, intuitive, and supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, cloud-based navigation, and OTA software updates. Voice control is more natural than ever thanks to AI-enhanced processing. Optional tech includes a head-up display, premium Meridian surround sound system, and rear seat entertainment screens for family-friendly road trips. Steering wheel. The multifunction steering wheel is wrapped in leather with contrast stitching, available with heated functionality and integrated controls for media, cruise control, and the digital driver display. Tactile buttons and rotary dials provide a rugged, glove-friendly experience, ideal for off-roading where precision and grip matter most. You'll also find paddle shifters and performance-oriented trims like the Defender V8 engine. The 2026 Defender offers a range of powertrains to suit every adventure style. The base model starts with a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder, producing 296 horsepower and excellent low-end torque for off-roading. Move up to the 3.0-liter inline six-mild hybrid and you get 395 horsepower and smooth, confident highway acceleration. And for pure excitement, there's a supercharged 5.0-liter V8 pushing out 518 horsepower, capable of 0-60 in just 4.9 seconds AES, in a Defender. All engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and full-time AWD, featuring a twin-speed transfer box for serious off-road capability. Hybrid option. For those looking to balance power with sustainability, the Defender P400e plug-in hybrid is the answer. It combines the turbocharged 2.0-liter engine with an electric motor for a combined 398 horsepower and an electric-only range of about 31 miles, ideal for daily commutes. It can be charged with level 1 or level 2 home chargers and offers silent, emission-free driving when in EV mode, without sacrificing Defender toughness. Airbags. Safety is foundational in the 2026 Defender. You'll find 6 standard airbags, including front, side, and curtain protection. Land Rover's roll stability control, pre-tension seat belts, and crash-optimized crumple zones work in tandem to protect all occupants. The Defender also includes a rear occupant detection, emergency SOS assistance, and a post-collision safety system that alerts and stabilizes after an incident. Parking assist. Despite its size, the Defender is remarkably easy to park, thanks to 360-degree surround view cameras, clear sight ground view, and front and rear parking sensors. The autonomous park assist feature can steer the vehicle into both parallel and perpendicular spaces automatically. For off-roading, terrain response cameras help you visualize the ground under the wheels, especially useful for rock crawling and river crossings. Price. Now for the numbers. The 2026 Land Rover Defender starts around $56,000 for the base 90 model. The longer Defender 110 and 130 variants start closer to $61,000 and $71,000, respectively. The P400e plug-in hybrid begins at approximately $74,000. While the range-topping Defender V8 can exceed $115,000 fully loaded. Given its versatility, technology, and legendary capability, the Defender delivers true value for adventurers who demand both luxury and performance. Ending note. And that wraps up our full walkthrough of the 2026 Land Rover Defender. Whether you're a trail seeker, a weekend explorer, or just want a luxury SUV that's as rugged as it is refined, the Defender has it all. Classic design, modern tech, and genuine off-road DNA make it one of the most well-rounded vehicles on the road, a broken bar or far from it. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on the latest reviews and test drives. Got questions about the trims, hybrid range, or how the Defender compares to the Bronco or Wrangler? Drop them in the comments, we'd love to hear what you think. Thanks for watching, and until next time, explore boldly, drive confidently, and stay ready for